So this is a video to demonstrate the fix for a broken film latch door for the Canon EOS 7. As you can see here, this looks fine. To close this, not closing. Following instructions from JWBWorks website. So move these two, first remove these two screws here, then these, then these, using a J0 bit. Okay, start doing this. Off. You see it? Can't really remove it yet, so yep. Just remove the other parts. Says the front part should easily detach. So I was following the instructions and trying to get the front off to get access to this, but it looks like it just falls off. Like, there you go. So this is the old broken one. This is the new one. So this one's broken. So this is the one that I got an extra one just in case it breaks again in the future. So I guess we just transfer the hardware from here to here and install it. See if that's easy. I'm gonna have to like cut this off. Okay, I'll go ahead and do that. So I was able to remove these by shaving off these small plastic bits from here. Now to install it, the new ones have these posts that I can like put this in and melt. Instead of that, I'm just gonna try using double-sided tape. Like cut it pretty small. See if that works. clips right in. The adhesive should be just good enough. Good enough. So you can slide it in. This goes in here. It goes in there. There. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Should be fine. Let's put this back. Which one goes where? This one probably goes here. Yep. Let's see. Cool. Open. Close. And let's finish off with putting back the screws that I removed. That's basically it.